Start. The petitioner, who is an advocate practicing in this court, has filed the writ petition under Article 32 of the Constitution of India against various officers of the Registry of this court and the Union of India. Prayer has been made to issue an appropriate writ order or direction in the nature of mandamus directing the respondents not to give preference to the cases filed by influential lawyers, petitioners, law firms, etc. Prayer has been made to direct the respondents to give equal treatment to the cases filed by ordinary lawyers, petitioners, and not to point out unnecessary defects, refund the excess court fee and other charges, and not to tag the cases without order or direction of the court with other cases. A prayer has also been made to direct the Secretary General of this court to take action against the erring officers of their involvement in the listing, clearing, and bench hunting. It is averred in the petition that equal treatment has not been given to the ordinary lawyers litigants. They favor some law firms or advocates for reasons best known to them. The petitioner's first instance is that a writ petition civil D number 10951 of 2020 was filed by him on 16/4/2020. The registry pointed out three defects, that is, court fee of L 530 was not paid, documents to be placed as per index and details given in index were incomplete, and annexures were not filed, matter to be rechecked. The petitioner had clarified void email dated 18/4/2020 that he had paid the court fee of L 730 and there was no annexure with the petition. However, the petitioner was forced to pay more court fees to get the matter listed. Despite the letter of urgency, the registry failed to register and list the writ petition. The petitioner requested the Secretary, Supreme Court Bar Association about not listing the writ petition. On 27/4/2020, the writ petition was listed before the court. The second instance given by the petitioner is that a writ petition civil D number 11236 of 2020 was filed on 12/5/2020, which has not been listed by the registry till today. He was informed that there were no defects in the writ petition, but a copy of the writ petition was missing. After that, no update was given by the registry. The third instance given is about writ petition civil number 522 of 2020, diary number 11552 of 2020, filed by the petitioner on 25/2020. The dealing assistant pointed out defects on 26/5/2020. The defects were pointed out by the dealing assistant after 6 days of filing, though the application for urgency was filed in the petition. The following note was made by the registry. The petitioner clarified that the signed documents were already uploaded. The matter was urgent and he had uploaded them again along with signed documents on 26/5/2020. Again, the defects were pointed out on 29/5/2020 by the dealing assistant to the following effect. The petitioner cured the defects on 29/5/2020. After that, the dealing assistant did not recheck the matter. On 2/6/2020, the petitioner made a call and requested the branch officer concerned to direct the dealing assistant to recheck the matter. On 2/6/2020, the matter was rechecked and numbered as diary number 11552 of 2020. The case was verified on 6/6/2020 and listed for 6/7/2020 computer generated, which would make the case infructuous. The application for urgency was not considered. The petitioner was informed that the case was likely to be listed on 6/7/2020. He sent an email about the urgency. The registry was not willing to list the diary number 11552 of 2020 despite the application for urgency. Hence, the writ petition has been filed. Stop.